feels effortless. And in fact, effortless English, the name, comes from this exact feeling. That's why I call it effortless English. You can understand this in exercise and in sports. It's really easy to understand. So here's what happened. I'm running along, I'm out at the park again, doing my long run for the week. Once a week I do a long run. And after 10 or 20 minutes, I'm still plodding along. To plod means to kind of jog very slowly, like a big, heavy horse. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm plodding along as usual. And just like a couple weeks ago, my energy felt kind of low. My body felt kind of heavy. Boom, 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 boom. But then something happened. Somewhere around 35 to 40 minutes into the run, that heavy feeling just seemed to burn away. And suddenly my body just felt like a huge weight got lifted off my body. And suddenly I felt light on my feet. So instead of boom, 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 I felt like I was just effortlessly bouncing along, almost gliding, like I was just and my upper body too. I was just moving my arms. It felt like there was no feeling of effort, no feeling of straining. And emotionally too, in my mind, my emotions, my feelings, suddenly I felt this euphoria. Euphoria is a strong, positive, happy feeling. And it just suddenly came around 35 or 40 minutes into the run, this feeling of happiness, like, body felt lighter. I felt like I was gliding along instead of going slowly. Feeling of happiness, and overall, this feeling of effortlessness, like I wasn't trying anymore. And what's really interesting about this is that I actually started to run faster. I didn't try to run faster. I didn't want to run faster consciously. I didn't think I must run faster. It's just that because I was feeling lighter, because I felt more energetic, because I felt happier, because as I was running I felt effortless, just naturally my body sped up, my running sped up, my pace got faster. This is the state of effortlessness. Let's talk about what exactly